there, friends. Casey Ashmore coming to you again from the studio, doing a deep dive on the Texas juvenile justice system. Thanks again for watching. You know, I've said over and over that the juvenile justice system is geared towards rehabilitation, and it's the only time in the criminal justice system that a criminal offender, the accused, has the goal of the state of Texas, the judge, and the juvenile probation department for rehabilitation. But that's not in every case. And I touched on that in the previous video series. Now, one thing that video series might have been a little bit scary, because we're talking about certification of serious crimes, anything from a state jail felony up. So anything but a misdemeanor can be certified, and that child can be tried like an adult or held till they're 19 and then tried like an adult, you know, depending on the nature of the offense. That's going to be for the most serious offenses. But also, we got to talk about mental health. And, you know, we're more aware of mental health in our justice system than we ever have been. We know that a lot of the people who, let's face it, the county jail is the #1 provider of mental health care in Texas, in almost every county. And people are suffering from any number of maladies, depressive disorders, and what have you. And they turn to things like drugs and alcohol to help ease those issues. And the long and the short of it is that mental health is an issue even in the juvenile justice system. So if there's a child and there's issues of mental competency, mental retardation, those are not going to be swept under the rug in a dismissive way. They're if need be, the court can appoint experts to evaluate the child, and on showing by an attorney or the state's own motion or the judge's own motion, to make sure that the juvenile offender, just like an adult defender, has a grasp of the situation, understands and can participate in their own defense or plea bargain negotiations, etc. So that you know, should there be a scenario where a juvenile offender maybe quite doesn't understand because of some mental situation, mental disorder or handicap, the justice system, the juvenile justice system, is designed to protect those juvenile criminal defendants and give them the adequate resources for those scenarios. So in closing on this topic, the next video segment is going to be on the final disposition of juvenile offenses through appeal, and you know what that looks like. But like we have done for, I can't remember how many weeks in a row, we are sending out prayers of solidarity, healing, unity to our friends and countrymen and people around the world who just simply need to get back to work because of the coronavirus. We're hoping you can, and provide for your families, as well as healing for our nation as we all come together and live up to our great motto, E pluribus unum, out of many we are one. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More in the studio coming up on the juvenile justice system and the final hearing processes. Thank you so much. God bless America.